severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ashtabula County, Crawford County, Pennsylvania, until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 13 miles north of Titusville to Andover and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Titusville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula County, Ohio, and Crawford County, Pennsylvania.